Richie. Welcome back to the Blonde Richie channel. I guess that's what I call it. I haven't been here for a while, but I'm back, and I told you I'm never leaving, y'all, so stop tripping. Oh my God. So, you guys, if I haven't posted that video yet, I just bleached my hair. And y'all, I was not expecting for my hair to come out this light. And yes, this is one process. I usually had to do two to get this high level of a hair color. But I wanted to show you guys like my foolproof, bleaching regime. Y'all, but it didn't come out perfect, but luckily the imperfections are things that can be fixed easily, so I'm really happy about that. Like I said, I did not plan for my hair to be this light. I was hoping to get to like a level 6 or 7 because it is winter time and it's fall time, and I wanted to do like a darker hair. So now that it came out platinum, I was like, well, maybe I should keep it platinum, but no, it's still in my heart to have a darker color. So I went and bought a color. Oh, and don't mind this background. This is something that I'm just using right now until I figure out like a proper background for you guys. Before I set up my professional equipment. Right now, I'm recording this on my iPhone. But y'all know I don't play about my camera quality. So you definitely will be having better quality videos as I figure out what I'm going to do with my background. I need something easy like this because my last background, which was pretty, it was gorgeous, it was beautiful, darling. It was a lot of work to set up, but I might just go back to that. Who knows? I might switch between the two. We'll see. But for right now, we're just giving you something plain and simple. So let's get into the hair dyeing-ness of it all. The hair store to try to figure out what color I was going to dye my hair. I was flipping between fuchsia and burgundy, right? So I went to the hair store because I had a credit at this one particular hair store. They owed me $9.59. I was going to use that $9.59. I'll be damned. Because, I really wanted to go to Sally's to get my color. But nah, y'all ain't going to be playing with my $9.50. Y'all ain't going to be playing with my $9.50. Anyway, so I went there so I could redeem my $9.50. And I saw a hair color that I've seen several times before. And I've always been infatuated with this color. But I said, let me give myself a fair chance. I'm going to look. So I looked at all the Adore colors. I looked at the Kiss Tint Nation colors. I looked at other brands. But this particular color just kept calling me back. And luckily, at this store, right, they have samples. So I could like match my hand up to the samples to see if it's like a good fit to my complexion. And my hand and my face, it's pretty much the same. So it should be good, right? And I don't know, it was just something about this color and my skin that I just loved it together. I was just like, oh my God, this is gonna look so good on me. Oh my God, right? So, the color that I chose is mauve. Like, mwah. And the reason why I chose this is because on the sample, it was just like a mixture of everything that I love, like my favorite hair colors. It had a little bit of a beige to it. It had a little bit of a pink to it. It had a little bit of a gray to it. And those are literally my favorite hair colors. And it's pretty cool. It has a little blue undertone, purple undertone to it, which of course, are also my favorite hair colors. So I was like, this is just like a mixture of everything that I love. So let's try it. It's only hair. And if I don't like it, it'll come out eventually, or I can strip it out. And y'all know I have a nice video about how to strip out hair color, baby. So, the only thing that I was nervous about with this is that it comes from Wella. I have a love-hate relationship with Wella colors. See, the thing about Wella is I love their colors. I love, especially their blondes. To me, they have, really good blondes. But the thing is with Wella colors, they don't last long in my hair. I will literally, I have a wella toner in here. You can't even, no, it's a dye. I have a dye in here and you can't even tell that I put the dye in. Like, it's like with wella, it's beautiful, but it comes out too fast. It comes out too fast. Like, my favorite is like the Nordic Blonde, which is my best viewed video. And I put it in my head, beautiful blonde, right? Beautiful blonde, loved it. But I want to say a week or two later, it was completely gone out of my head. And that's a permanent dye. Permanent dyes are supposed to last for a while. So I'm just like, I'm nervous about this, but this is an actual color versus a toner or a blonde dye. So maybe this lasts a little bit longer, who knows? But let's get into coloring my hair. The instructions on this is just to apply it to your hair, dry. That's it. It's very simple. I'm not going to apply it. I'm not going to add it into a deep conditioner like I usually do because, like I said, I'm just nervous about the stability of wella. So I'm not going to add it into the deep conditioner like I would do Adore or Kiss. I'm just going to slap it straight to my hair, baby. Slap it straight to the dome. Straight to the dome. So let's go ahead and get started. As you know, I usually apply a little bit of it on camera, and then I apply the rest off cameras just so I can make sure that my hair is saturated with the color and that I'm not missing any spots. But another thing I was disappointed on is, like, look at it on here. Hold on. I thought this was going to be the tube that was going to be in the container. I was like, oh, that's cute. Like, I thought this was going to be the tube. No, it's a regular hair.
Ciao, wella, I need you to get it together, girl.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start. As y'all know, a little puncture thing at the top. Kapow! Ooh, look at this color, you guys. Look.
Oh, shit!
Sorry. Look at the color. Look at the color. Oh my God. Oh, my fingernail dirty. Don't judge me. Okay, let's start. So I have one hand with a glove and one hand without a glove. I don't think that was like a really good decision. But, you know, Richie is the master of making horrible decisions. Look at that. That is cool. Ooh, that is cool. It reminds me of something, like something very much something.
Something, very much something. Y'all.
Very much something from my childhood. Oh, I'm loving this already. I'm loving this already, y'all. I'm loving this already. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm loving it. Oh my God. So y'all see it like how it is right here, right? Which is fine. I'm gonna go off camera and apply the rest because I really cannot do this on camera with y'all. So I'll be back when it's all in my head. I'll be right back. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I finally found a dark color on me that I like. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all gonna have to call me Mauve Poppy. I'm Mauve Poppy. I'm Mauve Mwah. Mauve Mwah. I'm Mauve Poppy. I love this color, y'all. Love, 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 love. I don't give a damn. If y'all say y'all don't like it, I like it. It's for me. I like it. I like that for me. I like this for me. I love it. So I have a little bit left in the tube and I did this on purpose. And the reason why I left this much in the tube is because after I let this sit for, I'm gonna let it sit for about 40 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for 40 minutes just so all the color can soak in. And then I'm gonna wash this out, right? After I wash this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deep condition my hair and I'm gonna add the rest of this to my deep conditioner just to add some extra to it. Just add some extra to it to solidify the color. Like I said, you know, I'd be nervous about wella colors. So just so I can have that extra security of color in there, I'm gonna add the rest of this to my deep conditioner. So I'll be back once I wash this out, deep condition it, and I'll be back with the final freaking results. Didn't want to wait until my hair dried to finish this video, just because I just don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Yeah, the only thing about this dye is it makes you look like you was in a fight and got cut, because I look a bloody mess right now. And not bloody in the way that the people in the UK say it. But yeah, this is by far, this is the color that I've been looking for. This is the color I've been waiting for. This is the color. I just love it. I look like a noodle head, but yeah, if you're interested in this color, the easiest place I can tell you to find it is Sally's. I know Sally's do carry it. I went to a local beauty supply and I bought it from there because they had $9.50 something cents of my money, and I was going to get my money. Period. Anyway, I'm glad to be making videos again. Sorry, these last couple of videos are a little bit ghetto, but we will be back to doing professional videos as soon as I figure out my setup. I have new camera equipment and stuff. I'm a camera snob, y'all. I love cameras, so y'all know I'm always switching out my cameras. I have new cameras, and this is like the only camera that I haven't been like looking to see like what is the next best camera I can buy. Like, I really love this camera. I can tell I'm gonna keep this camera until the next version of the camera comes out. Then that's when I'll upgrade my camera. But I think I'm sticking with this one particular camera because it is everything. But y'all ain't here for camera talk, but y'all are here for talk. And I just want to let you know that even though that this is started off as a hair care channel and then we added in skincare, I'm going to turn this into a full lifestyle channel. A full lifestyle channel. One, because I have a life and I have a style. So why not share my lifestyle? Yeah. And two, it's easier to make videos when you have a multitude of subjects that you can go by. Me, I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting products to review every product that I showed you guys. I had to purchase with my own money, and it can get like really expensive. So if I'm going to consistently buy things to show to you guys, I want them to be like useful to me. You know, a lot of these hair products I buy, I show them to you guys, and I never use them again. A lot of hair products. So I'm just like, it's a waste of money, and I give them away, or I force my mom to use them. I'm like, here, use this. Use this for your hair, because my mom has curly hair too. Really pretty curly hair too. So yeah, so this is going to be a full lifestyle channel, and also I have a lot of things that I just want to talk about. I look at my demographics, and most of the people that watch my channel are adults, and I'm an adult, and I'm adulting, and I'm learning, and I just want to talk about certain things, and I just want to get y'all perspective on it. And also I just want to have like things available to me to where I can consistently make videos, because when it comes down to hair care products and skincare products, there's no way I can make consistent videos just reviewing those things. So yeah, get into Blonde Richie 2.0. I actually might change the name of the channel too, because I might not be blonde for the rest of my life. I mean, as long as my hair stay intact and I don't start balding and stuff, I'm always gonna dye my hair, and even when I turn gray, I'm probably gonna dye that too. But you know, I don't know, and I don't know if I'm gonna be known as Blonde Richie. My teeth are looking blonde. It's a mess. It's a whole mess. I promise you, my teeth are white. It's this camera. All right, let me go before I embarrass myself even more. Did I have an outro? Peace.